Hi friends, let us learn some conversational idioms. Number 1, hit the sack, which means go to bed. Hit the sack, which means go to bed. Number 2, hit the books, that is to study. Hit the books, which means to study. Hit it off, to get along well. Hit it off, to get along well. Hit the road, to live. Hit the road, to live. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Hit me up, contact me. Hit me up, contact me. Hit the roof, to become suddenly very angry. Hit the roof, to become suddenly very angry. That's all for today. Thank you.